I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one.
Yeah, what you see there is burnt on carbon on this oven door. I want to show you the best way how to clean this off. That's been on there for about 6 months now on a build up. Normally I wouldn't have gone that far to get that bad. As you can see, my oven is absolutely immaculate, spot on, immaculately clean. So I've let this go for demonstration purposes. It's on there quite bad. What I'm going to be using is some bicarbonate soda there in white vinegar in that pot. I've got some wet and dry sandpaper and just 2 bits of crunched up foil there. And then all I've got there is a bucket of water with a cloth and a sponge. What I'm going to do first is with the bicarbonate soda and the vinegar, just literally going to get that on there. I'm going to rub that all in. Bit hard to do with one hand, but we'll get it on there. And what I'm going to do is just leave this on there for about 10 minutes and I'll be able to give that a proper good clean off then. Just going to let that soak in. The bicarbonate soda and the white vinegar, it's a great combination. Okay, let's just leave that on there for 10 minutes and then I can start cleaning. Yeah, so get your carbonated soda and white vinegar on there. Just leave it on there, let it soak in, let it do its work, and then leave it for a while and then you should be able to clean that. Yeah, as you can see there, it's already starting to work its magic. My next process now is with this scrunched up bit of foil. I'm just going to give that a good old scrubbing off. Just working that carbonate, soda, vinegar into the glass door, giving that a proper scrub off there. Just working it round to that burnt on carbon. As you can see, it's already making a big difference there. Looks like I'm going to have to do 2 goes at this, but that's got the worst of it off so far. With my cloth, I'll just clean that off for now. Oh yes, already starting to look a bit better there now. Right, okay, now what I'll do is I'll just sprinkle a little bit more bicarbonate soda on there. I'll spray some white vinegar on that. You can already see the reaction there. I should be able to get it this time round. Same again, I'll let that soak in there for 10 minutes, let it do its job, let it do its magic, and then I'll go again with the wet and dry sandpaper. Yeah, well pleased with the results there. Looks absolutely immaculate. Absolutely brilliantly clean. 6 months of burnt on carbon. I've cleaned it all off now. I used the bicarbonate soda with the white vinegar. I used various cloths on that as well. I also used the wet and dry sandpaper. Now if you are using the wet and dry sandpaper, you've got to use the finest you can get. I use a 3000 grit on this one. You don't want to be scratching that glass. But yeah, well pleased with the results. Like I said, 6 months of build up on there, on the carbon. I won't be letting it get that bad again. I normally do that once a week, to be honest with you. Keep on top of it, keep it nice and clean. And you never know, Mrs. Hinch might see the video and give me the thumbs up on this one. And if she does, I'll be well pleased with that. But I've made a great job there anyway. Looking absolutely fantastic now. And well pleased with that. There you go guys, you can do it yourself. It's quite cheap to do as well. All you need is a bit of elbow grease and you can get them results. I can also see in the oven now as well. Perfect. Yeah, so this is the best way to mix up some bicarbonate of soda plus some vinegar. I've got some vinegar in that bottle there. I'm going to mix these two together and it's a fantastic cleaning product all around the home, everything else. And I'm going to show you the measures I normally do. So you need half a glass or half a cup of bicarbonate soda. That's about half a glass. And then the same again with your vinegar. Half a glass of white vinegar. Now all you're going to do is just mix these two together. It's a great combination. You're going to mix these up so it becomes a paste. You can see the reaction there. And get them mixed up like that. That's a perfect ratio as well. I normally go half and half. But what I do as well is I'll just put that in a container and then I can use that as and when I need to. That's all good to go. Then I'll just use a sponge like that with a bit of abrasive on there, and when I need to clean anything I'll use that. That's perfect. I'll store that away for when I need to start cleaning. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.